this to Nightmare Bonnie.
Nightmare Bonnie!
What?
Nightmare Bonnie,
Go get the food!
carrots.
Why?
Go get it!
Okay.
Okay, I want to know why Dad wants me to get chips. Okay, I can't carry this. All right, Dad, I got the food. This is all the food. Nightmare Bonnie, what type of food is this? You told me to get food, so I got marshmallows, all that, chips, and Fruit Max. It's fruit snacks. Fruit Max, fruit snacks. What's the difference? Nightmare Bonnie, this is not the food that I want you to get. But this is the food that I like. Don't scream at me. Then why did you scream at me? Because I'm the parent. Fine. But why did you tell me to get the food in the first place? Because there is a tornado. A tornado? And we don't have no basement, so we're gonna hide under there. Okay, I'm gonna get the food. Okay, but where's the drinks? Did you forget the drinks, Nightmare Bonnie? Well, if we have clear pee, we could drink it. Nightmare Bonnie, you're stupid! I'm not stupid, I'm your kid. Well, let me call the teacher so you can miss a day of school. I told your teacher. Okay, let's hide under there. Get the food now, or else I'll ground you. Oh, never mind, Nightmare Bonnie. I got meme. You don't need meme. Yes, I do, Dad. And move, mysterious hand. Then why do you got a phone? In case that we get bored, the tornado is gonna hit. So you better hide. Nightmare Bonnie, get in here right now. Okay, Dad. Oh my goodness, the tornado is gonna hit. What is a tornado? It's a thing that hits. Get your meme. Okay. And get those 2 chips. Mysterious Hand, can you get those 2 chips? Sure. Thanks, Mysterious Hand. You're welcome. Wait, who's a Mysterious Hand? I don't know. Oh, man, I'm thirsty. Can you eat some chips? Or marshmallows or snackies? Snack Max? Snack Max? Yeah, Snack Max. No, I mean Fruit Max. You are one stupid boy. We need fruits and veggies for this. No, we don't. Shut up. Oh my goodness, the tornado! The tornado! Oh my goodness, the tornado, Nightmare Bonnie! Oh, that's a tornado? Yes, and how are we even looking at this? Boom! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I think it hit our house! It did? It did, Dad? Yeah, it did. Oh no. Meme, can you please cover me? Sure. Meme, I'm scared. Stop! Act like a grown man! Jeez. Stop crying like a little baby. Dad, I want to play Grand Theft Auto on board. You just said that backwards. Oh, well, Dad, I'm bored. I want to play Grand Theft Auto on the phone. Fine, Nightmare Bonnie, but don't get us killed. Oh, okay, Spring Dad. Wait, what? The phone is not working. What? No! It's probably dead. Does this look dead to you? No! The electronic! No! I can't play anything! Well, probably the tornado hit the stuff! No, it didn't. Yes, it did! Stop acting like a whiny little baby! Well, I am a whiny baby. Yay! I woke up by this nap.
Homework first.
Oh my goodness, that was a good one.
Give me back. No, it's my toy now. Well, I have golden candle. I should get it. Ow! Give me it.
Yeah, golden
Lights.
wings.
Quit arguing about a Lego set. Oh, sorry, British Foxy.
Nightmare Bonnie, give me that electronics. But I was watching that. No, Nightmare Bonnie, you have to be like a man. But Spring Dad, I'm dead. You're not dead. I mean, I'm bored, Spring Dad. Just call me Dad or Spring Dad. I'm gonna call you Spring Dad, Spring Dad.
Bonnie posted his new favorite song.
No.
Can I come in?
Yes. No, stranger. Oh my goodness, the tornado. I forgot. No, you are not getting in. Go on your own. Tornado. Spring Dad. Let me give him one fruit mac. You better watch out for the tornado. It's okay, stranger. Here.
I'm not hungry.
But here's snacks so you could survive and you could drink your own pee. Yeah, I did the right choice. Okay, Nightmare Bonnie, why are you making us drink our own pee? Because I watched a survival show and I remember like it was yesterday. Because it was yesterday. Hey, sorry from this interruption. I'm gonna stay here. Oh man, I'm gonna remember. Hello, people! My name is Lime Foxy, and you wanna know why is there yellow parts on me? Because this is a survival channel, and you need to grab a bottle and drink your own pee. So you could survive on a tornado stuff and all. I remember that part when he get hit by a tornado. Guys, are you talking about that survival show that kids are not supposed to watch? What? Nightmare Freddy? Now Spring Dad knows. Well, I'm his son too, and I'm the oldest. Wait, where's Nightmare Foxy? I don't know, but you ruined everything. That's my boy. Yeah. Wait, is he born from the same mom? No, he was born by my other wife. Oh, then what happened to my mom? You remember? She's with her family and she's gonna come on the next year. Remember? Okay, guys, I'm going with my family, but let me kiss you guys goodbye. Love you, Nightmare Bonnie. Love you, Nightmare Freddy, and love you, Nightmare Foxy, and love you, Springtrap. Oh yeah, I definitely remember now. Wait, but is Nightmare Foxy is born with my same mom? Yeah. So I'm the last kid? Yeah, of course. So, his electricity is off because when it's Jeffy's birthday, he's gonna get a Nintendo. Don't even say it. I was about to say Switch. Come here, you little... Hey, Nightmare Bonnie, stop right now!
Oh, wait, eat my food.
Sorry, stranger, I'm trying to get my kid to stop fighting my older kid. Stop, Nightmare Bonnie, now!
Candy.
No thanks, I'm gonna eat some meat right now. You're gonna rip my insides out? Yes, and I'm gonna cook you. Nightmare Bonnie, stop! Stop it right now! Stop it or else I'll leave you in the tornado! No, stop it! Daddy! Dad! Spring Dad is not gonna get you. Actually, I have to. What? He's the oldest kid and there's a tornado, so...
Can you kick?
Thank you, because we're gonna get caught in a tornado. Thanks, Daddy. You're welcome. But he teased me of Jeffy is gonna get a Nintendo Switch for his birthday. Is he really gonna get it? Oh, don't worry. He's not really gonna get it. It's just a rumor. It better be just a rumor. Actually, it's real. You little! Hey, I'm gonna throw away meme. No, don't throw away meme. All right then, stop. Fine. You could fight him when the tornado's over. Okay, Dad, Spring Dad. What? But Daddy, I don't care. Yay! 500 days later, not 500 days, 10 days later. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Dad, I think the tornado, Spring Dad, I think the tornado's over. Okay, it's time to get the food out. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think that's the last of it. Oh, and your meme. Thank you. He's gonna stay on my bed. So, I made that promise. So, Number Bonnie, you can beat him up. Thanks, Spring Dad. Daddy, help. Daddy! Ouch! Take that! Take that for doing that! Daddy, help! Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.